we celebrate the feast of Saint Joachim and Anne, we, the youth of Saint Jude community, would like to wish each and every parents a happy Parents' Day. We have asked some questions to our parents. Let us hear what they have to say.
Being a parent is a very wonderful experience. Being a mom or a dad, we share a special bond with my child, and we share a special emotion which cannot be expressed in words.
Parenting also comes with a huge responsibility and joy. Both responsibility and joy come in hand to hand. It has to be taken care in both the ways.
At the end of the day, we feel stressful and exhausted. Then also we have to do what?
At the end of the day, we feel like are we able to give our full time for our child? Are we able to look after him properly? Are we missing something from our side? Can we give more something?
As we have got my child after 7 years, so we have to give whatever we can. To the fullest, we have to give this whatever for his upbringing and everything.
Proper attention.
But being a parent is a very different and a wonderful experience which we are experiencing.
Cannot be expressed.
Actually.
एक्चुअली मायचे देणे हे कशानूच मायचे मोल हे कशानूच सर करूंक जायना. जे पोरी एक फूल बागेन सोबिताय हाडटा तेच पोरी भुरगे ज्या वेळार घरान जल्म घेतात त्या वेळार त्या घराप्याक आणि त्या घराप्यांत असलेल्या जणेकल्याक आणि भोव करून माय पायक जायती खुशालकाय फावो जाता. म्हज्या कुसव्यान जेन्ना म्हजे पयले भुरगे रोचले त्या वेळार पयले स्वतेक म्हाका जायती भिरांत दिसली. कित्याक हांवें जायत्यांच्या तोंडांसून आयकलेलें की भुरगे जल्माक येताना जायतो त्रास सहन करूंक पडटा. पूण ज्या वेळार म्हज्या पोटांतले कुसव्यांतले भुरगे रोज वाडत वेताले ताची जाणीव म्हाका जावंक लागली. तेन्ना म्हाका एक वेगळीच खुशालकाय फावो जावंक लागली आनी म्हज्यातली सगळी भिरांत पयस जाली. आनी हे मायपणाचे देणे सगळ्यांकाच फावो जायना ना. म्हज्या कुसव्यांत म्हाका 2 भुरग्यांचे देणे म्हाका देवान फावो केला आनी म्हज्या ह्या मायच्या देण्या पासून हांव म्हज्या देवाक काळजांतल्यान आर्गां दितां. तांकां वाडोवसाठी आमी जायतो त्रास काडटा. भोव करून म्हजो घरकार भायर कामाक वेता आनी तांचो आमी परामर्श करता आनी हांव तांकां घरान पळयतां.
Before we were busy in our life, like work, home work, there was no much responsibility because I am taking my responsibility. He was going to work. He was doing his own this. But after delivering a baby, the responsibility is more because
we were free. We can go
anywhere.
We can go for movie. Go anywhere. No one is going to ask us.
Yeah, no baby crying. We have to come home fast because baby is crying. But now it is not the same case because when we go out now, we have to take care of our baby. We have to first see his priorities rather than us. So the responsibility is also greater than before before delivering a baby, and the life is total change. He's come and he's playing with someone. Earlier we used to talk to each other, fight and all. Now there is one more member which has come,
So we are
and see his face. It's like
he start playing with me also.
It's like stressless.
It's total different experience.
Yeah,
Before life and after.
delivering a baby, it's very different experience.
आमचे संडे मास मिसाचे कार्यक्रम आमचे सुरू जाता. सकाळी 8 o'clock आमचे रेग्युलर टायम आमचे उठच्यान आसता. लेकिन सगळी रेडी जाल्या उपरांत आमचे ऑनलायन मीस सगळी सांगता मेळून मीस आयकता हांव आनी सगळी एक जण मीस जाल्यार आमी मीस स्टार्ट करिना. आमची 4 जाणां सांगताच मीस करता. आनी संडे स्कूल 10:30 10:45 ऑनलायन आसता. ते डेफिनेटली तो ऑनलायन मीस अटेंड करता आनी वॉट एवर प्रोजेक्ट आसा ते सबमिशन आसा ते ऑनलायन करता. आनी 3 o'clock प्रेयर आमचे मेन इम्पॉर्टंट जालां आतां. जाल्यार ह्या पेंडेमीक सिजनांत मागणें आमकां सर इम्पॉर्टंट जालां. जाल्यार म्हळ्यार पयलें आमी करनासल्या आतां घरा बसून आमचें कालें करचें म्हणून ते इल्लेशे कोंकणी आमी चड इम्पॉर्टंट हें दिता. 3 o'clock प्रेयर आणि परत सांजेर रोजरी सांगात आमी कोंकणी आमी कंडक्ट करता. आमचे सगळी आसा आतां खंय भायर गेल्यार आमकां इंग्लीश इज इम्पॉर्टंट न्ही, आमकां कोंकणी इम्पॉर्टंट आसा. देखून आमी होल प्रेयर मॉर्निंग कोंकणी मास अँड 3 o'clock प्रेयर अँड प्लस रोजरी आमचे कोंकणी आसता. आणि आमचे वर्ड ऑफ गॉड ते आमी 3 o'clockच्या प्रेयरान वर्ड ऑफ गॉड आसा ते आमी कोंकणीच रिपीट करता. आणि आमकां मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टंट म्हणून सांगल्यार आमी चड सांगाता मेळ्ळ्या. आणि ह्या पेंडेमीक सिजनांत जेजू आमकां सगळ्यांनी लागीं आयला आणि आमकां देवाची जेजूची वळख मेळ्ळी. आणि प्लस आमकां बायबल वर्ड कितें आनी बायबल वर्डान कितें आमकां इम्पॉर्टंट आसा, कितले बेनिफीट आसा, आमकां कितलें बरेंपण आसा, आमकां मस्त आतां पेंडेमीक सिजनांत आमकां मस्त वळख कळ्ळी. आमी देवाक काल सांगता, देवाक आमी अर्कान दिता, आमकां इतलें बरें आमकां भलायकेन दवरलां जेजून आणि आमकां इतल्या मागण्यांत आमी दवरलां. देवाक आमी अर्कान दिता.
आमी दर संडेक पयले लॉकडावनच्या पयले आमी मिसाक वयताली हांव आनी म्हजी भुरगीं कॅटेकिझमांत भाग घेतालीं. पूण जरी तरी लॉकडावन आसलें तरी आसतना आमी आमच्या घरांत सदां काल सांजेच्या वेळार आमच्या घरांत आयमोरी जाता, रोजरी जाता, उपरांत आमी बायबल रिडींग करता. हे परी आमी आमच्या भुरग्यांक आमच्या कोरोना वरवीं क्रिस्तांव जिविताची समजवणी फावो करून आमी इगर्जेशी संबंदीत आसा.
म्हाका पेंडेमिकांत म्हाका व्हेरी इजी पडटा. म्हाका म्हजें काम सेव जाता. प्लस हांव ताका ड्रॉप एंड पिकअप करतली, म्हाका तातूंत सेव आसा. आणि टायमार म्हाका टिफीन रेडी करचें म्हणना, ताका एकटी ड्रेसअप करून ताका स्टडी करून ताका ऑनलायन बसयलें मागीर म्हजें ब्रेकफास्ट व्हेरी इजी जाता आनी म्हजें टायम सेव आसा. आनी ताका आनी इस्कॉलान कालें जाता कालें ना तें म्हाका पयलें कळनासलें. आतां कालें म्हणटा हांव ताका सांगता हांव हेडसेट दवरिनाका, काल म्हाका स्पिकरार दवर, बिकॉज आमी दोगांत आसता घरांत, कोणी आसना. म्हाका काल इस्कॉलान जाता तें पळोवन म्हाका ऑनलायन म्हाका स्पिकरार कळटा आनी खंयचे नोट्स सबमिशन आसा, खंयचे प्रोजेक्ट इनकम्प्लीट आसा, ते काय इनकम्प्लीट आसा ते म्हाका टिचर दिता म्हाका डायरेक्ट म्हाका कळटा. देखून ताचे ऑनलायनीचे म्हाका मस्त मतलब ऑनलायन म्हाका स्कूल म्हाका मस्त फायद्याक आसा. इतलें की म्हाका ताका अप एंड डावन करूंक ना. ताका घरा बसून इल्लेशें लेझीनेस जाला म्हळ्यार भायर खेळूंक ना वचूंक ना ते इल्ले लेझीनेस जाता. पूण म्हाका मस्त तातूंत हॅपी आसा हांव ऑनलायन इस्कॉलान.
एक्चुअली स्टार्टिंग मतलब जब छोटे बच्चे थे, छोटे स्पेशली एशली, तो उस वक्त बहुत फाइनेंशियल प्रॉब्लम था हमें. जैसे कि मैं अकेला काम करता था, शी वाज अ हाउसवाइफ एंड इट वाज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टाइम वी फेस दैट टाइम. मतलब जो बच्चों को हम देना चाहते थे वो नहीं दे पा रहे थे उस वक्त एशली के टाइम पे. लेकिन उसके बाद में
starting 4 years we were like क्या बोलते हैं, we were not at all in church activities, nothing. We ourselves we didn't introduce ourselves to the church like na. Hardly once in a only on Sundays we used to just go like ऐसा ही, like nobody knows us, just जैसे जाते वैसा जाते थे आते थे. No hi bye, किसी को मिलते भी नहीं थे. Only 4 years. After 4 years, we slowly, gradually, we started meeting people. Father Julius. So from him, we started like meeting people. Like na, first meeting we were all together, Padwal Nagar, and Padwal Nagar itself, the meeting took place. And first time we were introduced to, after 4 years. Then we slowly started going to church and all.
मेरा तो इससे उल्टा था. मैं तो इधर चर्च में जाता ही नहीं था स्टार्टिंग ईयर्स 4-5 ईयर्स. तो संडे का हम लोग का प्लान रहता था कि सुबह उठो, बॉम्बे जाओ, खेलो कूदो, वापस आ जाओ. यही नो चर्च नथिंग, ओनली ऑल VIP मासेस, गुड फ्राइडे, क्रिसमस, न्यू ईयर, यही मास अटेंड करने का. लेकिन बाद में जब मैंने चर्च में एक्टिविटीज़ में जब पार्ट लिया तो मतलब कम्प्लीटली माई लाइफस्टाइल चेंज, कम्प्लीटली चेंज. बच्चों को हम लोगों ने जो हम लोग की तरफ से जो करना था वो हम लोगों ने कोशिश भी करनी थी. लेकिन उस वक्त बच्चे भी क्या करते थे कि दूसरे का देख के बोलते थे अरे मुझे ये चाहिए वो चाहिए, मोबाइल चाहिए वो लिया वो, लेकिन वो हम लोग नहीं दे सकते थे बिकॉज ऑफ द फाइनेंशियल प्रॉब्लम। तो हम लोगों ने कोशिश की फिर भी कि जितना हो सके उतना करें, लेकिन हम लोगों ने भी उस वक्त बच्चों को मतलब दूसरे से कंपेयर कभी नहीं किया कि वो ऐसा कर रहा है तो तू क्यों नहीं कर रहा है, हम लोगों ने कभी नहीं किया वो कंपेयर। तो और हम मेरी फैमिलीज भी यहाँ पे मतलब पूरा फैमिली 5-6 फैमिलीज आर देयर, माय ब्रदर्स सिस्टर्स, सो दे ऑल टुगेदर मतलब एक साथ बड़े हुए हैं। तो उसका भी एक एडवांटेज था उन लोग के पास कि साथ में थे, मतलब वो मैं अकेला नहीं महसूस करते थे, तो वो एक अच्छा था। लेकिन उसके बाद में ठीक है, स्लोली सब ठीक हो गया। पहले हम लोग छोटे से घर में रहते थे, आपको मालूम है वहाँ पे, तो फिर हम लोगों ने कभी बड़ा घर लिया है, तो वैसे स्लोली मतलब फाइनेंशियल भी ठीक हो गया और अभी बहुत अच्छी तरह से चल रहा है।
96 नंतर आमचे काजार जाल्या उपरांत आमकां एका वर्सा उपरांत आमकां भुरगें जालें। 97 आलिशा बॉर्न जालें एप्रील 26 ताका ताज्या मदें आमकां मस्त प्रॉब्लेम आयले आनी स्पेशली ते मोनिकाक ताजें ऑपरेशन जाल्लें आसलें। तें ऑपरेशन जाल्ल्या उपरांत ताका भुरगें जायना म्हूण सांगलें आनी भुरगें जायना म्हूण सांगलें आमी आतां कितें करचें। त्या देखून आमी सांगलें की बाबा आमी 6 म्हयन्या उपरांत डॉक्टर कडेन चॅकिंगाक गेल्या। चॅकिंगाक येताना डॉक्टर म्हणूंक लागलो की आमकां आजून एक थोडे दीस वचून दीत, ताज्या उपरांत आमी पळया। ताका तो म्हणूंक लागलो जायत आनी मस्तू डिफिकल्ट जालें ताका मोनिकाक आनी आमकां एक 6 म्हयन्या उपरांत
ॲक्च्युली म्हज्या प्रेग्नन्सीच्या 6 महिन्या उपरांत म्हाका ॲक्च्युली डॉक्टर म्हणलें
वाडयांत एडमीट जायली
आनी इवन हे कंडिशन आसलें या तर भुरगें वाचतलें या तर हांव, बट आमी मागणे आनी परत करून आमकां नॉर्मल एक म्हणजे डिलिव्हरी जाली आनी एक हेल्दी भुरगें जालें म्हाका। ताच्या उपरांत इस्कॉलाचें एज्युकेशनाच्या टायमार आमकां मस्त फायनान्शियल प्रॉब्लेम जाले आनी मागीर हांव कामाक वचनासलें। ताच्या उपरांत एकलोच कामाक सरलो जाल्यार आनी आमचे हेल्थाचे प्रॉब्लेम ते म्हणून इल्ले फायनान्शियल प्रॉब्लेम आसले, बट सेंट मेरीज एडमिशन आनी परत जालें एज्युकेशन आमी ताका दिलें। 7th 8th आसतना आलिशा ताच्या डॅडीचें काम गेलें कंपनीन ताणू मस्त प्रॉब्लेम आयले जाल्यार मागीर हांवें काम सोदलें। आमी दोगांय काम करन दोगांयनी मेळोन ताका बरें एज्युकेशन दिलें। ताका खायलें करूंक आसा कॉमर्स शिकोवंक कॉलेज करन ताका जें करूंक आसा तें आमी आमच्या तांकी प्रमाणे ताका दिलें। एक्चुअली आता ते व्हड जालां कळटा ताका काल कश्ट मम्मी आनी डॅडी एका फेस करतात तर ते सपोर्ट करता आमकां, ते काम करतात ते जाल्यार आमकां इल्ले फायनान्शियली आमी आतां इल्लेशे सम आसा ते जाल्यार ते आमकां हेल्प करता कामांत घराले काम आनी करूंक आसा। हांव कामाक वयता, कामाक वचून घरान करचें म्हणटा म्हाका इल्ले प्रॉब्लेम जातात, म्हजें हेल्थ बराबर आसना, बट ते आमकां हेल्प करता, आमकां समजता आतां की आमी काल सांगून ताका हें करता आनी ते कामांत या फायनान्सांत ते आमकां हेल्प करता। ते जाल्यार आतां आमकां इतले प्रॉब्लेम नात, कित्याक ते भुरगे ल्हान आसतना ताका कांय समजना काल कितें म्हणून, जाल्यार आमकां स्ट्रगल करूंक आसता एज अ पेरंट्स आमी हें गरजेचें। पूण आतां व्हड जाल्या उपरांत ते समजता, ते आमकां हेल्प करता, ते जाल्यार आतां आमकां प्रॉब्लेम नात।
First of all, now we did not need to to encourage them because we have already made them from the beginning that they have to take part in church activities and all and looking at Paul and all he's mostly in all the church activities, so definitely we don't have any problem now
अगर छोटे से बच्चे रहते तभी से अगर उन लोग को समझा देते हैं कि क्या करना है, कैसे करना है, चर्च एक्टिविटीज़ में पार्ट ले, जैसे कि संडे स्कूल है तो संडे स्कूल में जाना, फिर रेगुलरली चर्च जाना, रेगुलरली चर्च एक्टिविटीज़ में पार्ट लेना, जैसे कि बाकी अपने कम्युनिटी के जो बच्चे हैं उनको देख के सीख जाना, ये सब पहले से ही बच्चों को मालूम है। तो उनको अभी मतलब बड़े होने के बाद में हम लोग कुछ ऐसी तकलीफ नहीं आई कि उनको बताओ कि अरे ये करो वो करो, ऐसे कुछ बोलने की तकलीफ नहीं आई हम लोग को, क्योंकि
But
वो पहले
only-
से ही वो
एंड दूसरी बात लाइक ना इन द संडे मास अटेंड करने का वो एक शाउटी बस होता है, उठो तैयार होके जाओ। सो एक ही मतलब वो टाइम हो गया, यू विल हैव टू गेट अप एंड गेट रेडी फॉर द मास।
और मैं तो पहले से ही बहुत पर्टिकुलर था चर्च एक्टिविटीज़ के बारे में, क्योंकि बहुत साल से मैं एनिमेटर था, उसके बाद कोऑर्डिनेटर हुआ, तो मेरी भी एक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी थी कि मेरे ही बच्चे नहीं तो मेरे कम्युनिटी के बच्चे हर एक्टिविटी में भाग ले और हम लोग का जो कम्युनिटी है वो हमेशा आगे रहे। यही मैंने हमेशा सोचा है। तो इसीलिए मेरे बच्चे भी और मेरी कम्युनिटी के बच्चे भी आज भी अगर देखें, जहाँ पे लॉकडाउन की वजह से पूरा चर्च कोलैप्स मतलब यूथ कोलैप्स हो गया है, तो वहाँ पे पटवल नगर भी इतना अच्छा कर रहे हैं और फादर भी अप्रिशिएट कर रहे हैं इस चीज़ के लिए। इसकी वजह यह है कि हम लोग हमेशा बच्चों को एनकरेज करते हैं कि चर्च एक्टिविटीज़ में पार्ट लो, जो भी है उसमें, तो वो बहुत हेल्प करता है बच्चों में। मेरे ही नहीं तो मेरी कम्युनिटी के बच्चे के लिए भी बहुत हेल्प।
हांव पयले नुस्तें एक्टिविटींत भाग घेतलो आमच्या इगर्जींत, तशेंच कॉयरांत आनी झोनांत कोऑर्डिनेट जावन रावलो आनी एनिमेटर तशें जावन हांव मुखार सरलो। आनी तशेंच इगर्जीच्या पुरा कामांत हांव हर एका कामांत मेथड जातालो आनी हर एका मिटिंगांत इनवॉल्व जावचें म्हजें काम आसलें। आनी तशेंच हांव म्हज्या झोनांत भुरग्यांक चड हांव इम्पॉर्टंट दितालो, कित्याक म्हळ्यार तांणी मुखार येवंक जाय। आनी सकळी त्या हर एका मिटिंगांत आमच्या झोनांत जावन सकळी म्हाका सपोर्ट करताले, ते मेन पार्ट आसलो। कित्याक म्हळ्यार आमचे झोन मुखार येवंक जाय आनी आमचो झोन मुखार आयल्यार बाकीचे झोनूय बाकीच्या इगर्जीचे झोन आसात तेय मुखार येताले, कित्याक म्हळ्यार आमकां पळोवन पळय आम त्या झोनान कितलें काम बरें करतात तशें। आनी तशेंच म्हज्या भुरग्याकय हांवें सांगलें की बाबा म्हजे बरी तुवें जावंक जाय, तुवें मुखार वचून बरें जर तर तुवें केलें एक्टिविटीजांत भाग घेतले, ते भुरग्यांक ल्हान भुरगीं तशें व्हड भुरगीं सकट तुका पळयतलीं आनी तुजे बरी जावंक तीं मुखार सरतलीं। काय देखून आमी आलिशा केदाळे सांगता की बाबा हर एका एक्टिविटीजांत तूं भाग घे। आनी क्वायरांत ते भाग घेता, तशेंच लेक्चर्सांत भाग घेता, बाकीच्या झोनांत कितेंय प्रोग्राम आसल्यार तातूंत एक्टिविटीजांत ते भाग घेता, तें बरें आसा। आमकांय खुशी जाता आनी आमच्या झोनांतय खुशी जाता आनी भायल्या लोकांकय तें पळोवंक बरें लागता।
Being from different faith has not at all impacted my parenting. I should say I am blessed because God has given me a good life partner who has been very supportive to me, and we had made up our mind before marriage that he would be accepting Christianity. The sacrifice that he has given to support me is incredible. But what I feel was, without his support, I couldn't have done this. Although having family and friends around, things were very good. But the main support, the backbone, being the father of the family, he himself would take the initiative, and we all, as a family, would go to church together. And bringing up them right from they were infants to grown up has been, we have walked a very, rosy path. There was no problem which came into our way, and we enjoyed being as Catholics, going for each and every function, giving them all the sacraments, encouraging both our children to be in church, helping whenever required. Me too, whenever I feel that I should be helping out with the animators team or whoever asks me for help, he will always tell me it's okay, you attend out first. So this has It's not to say and show that I am a staunch Catholic, but I really feel, and my children also do feel, that we are doing our best and we still want to do something better, because everything which has gone good and right for us is only because of God. And I thank God for always, for His grace over my family and my children, and very instrumental people in my life who have supported me. Although my husband's family had never objected nor rejected me, but they have always been very good to me, and even today they do. So we do enjoy very good family ties, not only among our families but also in the community as a whole. And of course the church, it's my second home. I feel very happy that we are always there, whatever it is. Not that easy, but somehow there was no choice. Patience, and with lots of prayer, we always used to plan things. So life was not that easy, and even during the pandemic it was still worst. Attending to your job plus your family, and you are without a maid. There I have a old sick mother, and whoever it was came for need, because many in my building were also ill, and I really felt like helping them. But there were certain things which you couldn't do, but I felt like doing it. So I feel, if you talk about my family, it was good for me because everyone came together. We all did our works together. Each one supported the family, and it was very easy for me. But of course, the most cherished part of this pandemic was that we all were indoors with our family, not only praying, playing, eating together, staying together. At the same time, we would discuss, we would chat, talk to each other, which we have never done in all our life. We just spoke just for few seconds. And this pandemic has truly brought us so close to each other. Now we are got used to being questioning, talking, and it's really, when one is missing, the other keeps waiting, where is he or where is she. So that has made a bond in our family very strong.
सिंगल पेरेंट्स होना बहुत मुश्किल है, वो भी जब कम एज में ये सब हो जाता है। तो तभी सिमरन जूनियर में थी, उसको कुछ मतलब मालूम नहीं रहा था। एक साल मुझे बहुत मुश्किल से गया। फिर जब भी मुझे टेंशन होता था तो मैं ऐसा बाहर वॉक के लिए जाती थी। तो लेकिन क्या जो अंदर मास के लिए आता है कैथलिक, वो लोगों को लगता था कि मैं शाम को घूमने जाती थी। फिर मैं किसी से बात करती थी तो भी सबको लगता था कि मैं किस जेंट्स से किससे बात कर रही हूँ। वो लोग मतलब रुक के देखते थे मुझे। फिर हमारे घर पे कोई जेंट्स आया तो भी प्रॉब्लम सबको, कौन आया, क्यों आया, ये कैसा होता था। हस्बैंड रहेगा तो ये सब प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता है, हस्बैंड नहीं रहता है तभी ये सब प्रॉब्लम होता है। फिर ऐसा करके एक साल मतलब कैसा तो निकल गया। सिमरन निकल गया। फिर मुझे फाइनेंशियल सपोर्ट पूरा जो बड़ा स्टैंडर्ड था जेंट्स ने फॉलो नहीं किया। मुझे कुछ फाइनेंशियल प्रॉब्लम हुआ है। फिर मेरा छोटा भाई कहता है कि सुना, वो पायलट में ऑफिसर है, उसने मुझे फाइनेंशियल प्रॉब्लम हर मंथली किया। वो भी सिमरन स्कूल से कॉलेज जाने तक किया। तो मुझे कुछ कम होने दिया है उसने, जो भी मुझे चाहिए बिना बोले मुझे सब कुछ दिया उसने। तो मुझे बाकी कुछ प्रॉब्लम हुआ। और सिमरन पहला बाहर ही रहती थी तो मैं सेकेंड क्वेश्चन जालन हुआ था। सेकेंड क्वेश्चन हाँ जब था बाद में पे से बाहर ही रहती थी तो मैं अकेली, तो थोड़ा अकेला सा महसूस होता था। लेकिन अभी वो करते हैं, कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम रहेगा, कुछ भी बात रहेगी तो हम लोग डिस्कस करते हैं एक दूसरे से, मतलब फ्रेंड के जैसा हम लोग रहते हैं। और जिसका भी सपोर्ट है मेरे साथ, उसका भी ब्लेसिंग है, इसलिए आज तक हूँ मैं।
When my daughter told me that she was going to get a baby, I was quite happy. I was very happy, not quite happy. And both the ways I was happy because I was getting a grandson also, as well as my daughter is becoming a mom. So it was double joy. Then afterward, now this thing makes, we brought up our parents, children very well. I had 4 children. And they were very nice. They were brought up in a nice way, like, though I don't want to tell, but my husband was a little bit. So he was in his way, not bad, but to give me, he used to support everything for the children. Education he only did. And last, to see their goodness, he was not there. They also raise the children very well. But nowadays the education is such that the children come to know everything before only, which we never knew at our time. Even after getting married also we never knew what marriage was. But nowadays you ask a 5-year-old boy, he will tell you what it is. It is like that. Because they got all these equipments and all these phones and all. Mostly they go on that thing. That time we didn't have anything like that. So then our baby were very obedient also for the parents. Whenever I used to say, give them the answer, never, till now, after getting married also, I didn't say anything for my parents. Of that I am very distinguished. Nowadays children at once they tell you. If it is wrong, means wrong. They know that. They know better than the parents, I think so. But with that time it was not, it was like that. Our parents used to come, sit in front, and if we used to come in front, they used to just look and big eyes. That was enough for us. There was no need to shout or do something. But now my son, I'm not going out of that, my Tony, the younger one, used to come and sit with us when he was about, after daddy died, we came here, 87. So one day somebody came in our house and they were talking. And suddenly this fellow said something, I forgot now what it was. And he was sitting sideways with me, I just pinched him. When that pinch, he shouted, Mama, why you are pinching me? I said, I'm pinching you. Why are you talking to me? So what? So this is after this thing, like. So he was of this generation, I think so. He used to, he could talk and all, he used to do this thing and all. Otherwise, the rest of all my children, they studied also. They had nice jobs also. They worked also very well. And still now, they are good to me. They get everything is okay, you can say. Now my Cynthia is there, Colin is there. Only their thoughts are different, their talks are different. Say, if I tell something for them, they'll say, Nana, it was your own time. That was your time. I said, what is wrong for your time? You all are getting everything. Huh? And still you all are saying boring. You all got laptops and laptops. I said, God knows what are the names of all these things. We didn't have that time. We didn't have a fan. We used to take a cardboard and fan, put this. There was no fans, no TVs, no radios. Last year, before getting married, I think so, we got that radio, small radio that was there. That on that we used to hear songs and all. So we didn't have all these things that time. But still we were happy. We used to play with the children on the road. That's our age. Because there was no other games and all, no? This Dana, all the boys stay with the marbles. Those were our toys. And I was the only parent of my mother. So mother and I only was in the house. Father was working out. Mother was in Bombay. So I was brought up with my mother only.
Now that we have heard from our parents, let's hear from the children too.
think understanding my parents was very much difficult for me. As I am a teen now, I understand them more than before. Earlier, when I was young, I would get irritated when parents used to scold me, and then I wouldn't talk to them as usual. They made me understand that it was for my own good, but I wasn't able to. But now I genuinely thank them for scolding me and showing the right path. I also thank them for teaching me good values and making me who I am today. I love you both so much, Mama and Dada. Happy Parents Day.
As a kid, I was very demanding and stubborn. But despite of all their hard works, my parents always provided me with whatever I asked for. Even after coming from a very conservative and a very strict family, they helped me, grow up as a very open-minded and a very free person. This makes me understand that despite of all my stubbornness and my, demands, my parents have coped up with everything I've asked for.
Understanding parents is very difficult, and we understand them with all the practical experiences which are in fact told by them well in advance to us. And there are few things which we all have learned from our parents, and the most important thing that they have always told us to be close to the church, close to Jesus, and that's where all the faith formation comes. The main thing comes from our parents. They inspire us to they inspire us to go to church, to read the Bible every day, and faith has always been a very important part with my family too. There were times when my family faced a big financial crisis, but then my mom and dad used to pray daily. My mother still keeps praying, like she prays 5 times a day. And it's very amazing that with the help of and with the blessing of the Almighty, our house is still we don't face any problems. We say that तीन वक्त का खाना आना चाहिए, and that's how we are blessed. And all these credits goes to my parents for enlightening us kids.
Okay, so we take our parents for granted in most of the things, especially in understanding them. So we need to know about our parents' childhood stories, so we know their struggling life as well, and how much they've struggled all their lives, and that's why they don't want us to struggle those lives. And there was a phase in my life wherein my friends, so-called friends, had ditched me a long time ago in college times, so I had no one as friends. And then my parents, I just shared these things with them, and the way they have understood it and the way they have become my friends and boosted my confidence, that was the best part of my life. I'm very grateful for my parents, and yeah, that's all.
My mother is my inspiration. She guides us, and like growing someone like with her, she support us. She makes good decision for us. She tell us to go like doing right things. In everyone's life, there are other role model. For me, my mom is my role model. Eventually, I could remember my mother is everything to me, like doctor, teacher, friend, good advisor, and many more. She always supports us. She works so hard. She sacrifices so many things for us. She never tell no to us. Like कभी नहीं बोलेगी. She will tell yeah तेको ये चाहिए तो वो बोलेगी हाँ मैं दूंगी. फिर चाहे कितने भी महंगा हो फिर बोलेगी हाँ मैं दूंगी. मेरा पगार होने दे मैं दूंगी. She will never tell no to us. She support us so many times. We fight also. हम झगड़ा भी करते हैं. फिर ऐसा मतलब मैं रोऊंगी तो झगड़ा आएगा. फिर थोड़े टाइम में वो आ भी जाएंगी फटाक से.
We cannot choose which parent inspires us the most. I would say it's both. Everybody knows my dad loves to talk and loves to conduct things. So that is something what I've learned from him. Express yourself more openly and be ready to talk to anyone and everyone. Mom has inspired me to, obviously, to do the cooking skill which every girl in the house does and learns from their mom. She's also taught the skill that I've got from her is to be emotional. Something that comes up, something of anyone happens bad or any small thing, we end up getting teary. So yeah, I would say if none of us can choose, I don't think anybody of us can choose, or at least I cannot choose which parents inspires me the most. I would say it's both of them, and I'm glad to have them as my parents.
Both my parents have inspired me in growing different aspects of life. My father have inspired me with his immense hard work and patience. My mother have inspired me with the spirit and dedication of never giving up. So in today's world, it is very important to treasure these little things.
I'm proud of my parents in many ways. My parents have never thought of their own comforts and their needs and have almost done everything to raise me and my brother. They have sacrificed in many ways and always gave priority to our needs and our desire. This list is endless because they do a lot more to us, and parents are the world's most selfless people. And I love you, Mom and Dad. Happy Parents' Day.
I'm proud of my parents for bringing me up well, spiritually, academically, personally. They have been a good friend, philosopher. I thank them for whatever I am today, for imbibing in me good qualities of honesty, self-consciousness, and for whatever values that I stand upon. Thank you very much. Happy Parents.
The thing that I'm most proud of that my parents have inculcated in me from childhood is basically giving respect to everyone, and I have seen that change my life throughout. As I give respect to everyone and anyone that I meet in my daily life, has always led me to earn their respect as well, and I've followed this since my school days, college days, even in my workplace, and that has actually been something that a very strong part of me. And coming to a different country and meeting a lot of different people, meeting and basically interacting with different people from different cultures every day, you need to have this quality of respecting everyone. Or things might go a different way at times, but because of this quality that has always been taught by my parents, I have seen that I have been able to show respect to each and every one that I meet and be respectful of their cultures as well. At the same time, they respect how I treat them, and they respect that I'm from a different culture, and that has basically given me the pride that I have in myself, that I'm from a different culture, but at the same time I'm respectful of their cultures.